Hey friends, Jeff Allen off the Gridiron. In today's episode, I review the Varusteleka Skrama 80. Quick unboxing. You want to hear more about this knife? Stick around. Friends, I want to first of all thank Varusteleka for sharing this knife with me. This is a no-nonsense, high-carbon steel, durable, virtually indestructible field tool. That's going to be a great complement to my Varusteleka Skrama 240. Quickly, I want to give you a few of the specs around this knife. This is kind of a sheep's foot design, pretty unique that way. It's got 7.28 length from tip to lanyard hold there, 4.41 ounces. Blade length is 3.15 inches. Blade thickness is 0.128 with a 23-degree edge on that spine, making it super slicey. High carbon tool steel, 80 CRV2 with an 59 HRC for hardness. This particular one came with a Kydex sheath, kind of that pancake taco style Kydex sheath. And upon receiving it, there was a little bit of a, it didn't quite sit in the sheath quite the way I wanted it, but I increased the retention on the end here by just adding a little bit of heat. And I wanted that retention, just a little bit of heat and a pinch there on the edge of the Kydex. I wanted that retention because I'm really looking at carrying this knife as a vertical carry on my pack strap, one of two sides. Additionally, I might carry it is in a chest carry across my, I've got a chest pouch that attaches to my straps. Now, with that said, I'm a very common, one of the common carries I use all the time is that neck carry with some lanyard paracord. So for that reason, I really wanted that retention to be rock solid, and it is that now. It's when I'm pulling that knife out, it is with me aware of that, and that couldn't be a better case for that. Additionally, the concept of having it MOLLE compatible, I was able to look up the Blade Tech MOLLE lock system. Comes with two of these kind of tech lock concepts, but rather than for your belt, you can mount that to your holster, and then that goes down inside your MOLLE webbing, and then it kind of just snaps closed, and then it's locked on that webbing. So that's my vision for how this is going to get mounted again to my chest rig, or again, shoulder rig on my pack. OD green, very kind of unassuming and quite kind of matches my system. Oh, that's quite tight now. But let's have another look at the knife. Now they have this little chamfer on the top. You can see that glint right there. It's still able to spark a ferro rod. But it just takes some of that edge off. Not quite, it's still there, it's still pronounced, but it just takes some of that edge off the top, makes it a little more finished. There's the Varusteleka logo, the Varusteleka logo, and again 23. And I love that sheep's foot design. I really am growing more and more fond of that design. This is going to be used as a companion to my Varusteleka Skrama 240, which I did a review on. I'll provide a link up top. And again, even with the lanyard holes in the bottom, very same rubber, some of the same design, but you have obviously the two different sizes, which is awesome. So you have that kind of campcraft, chopper, one tool option, and then some of the finer processing tasks and carving tasks when you needed that in a more of a controlled manner. The sheaths come with a variety of options, and this is also available on the website. Again, I'll provide the link down below. I know with the Varusteleka Skrama, the options of just having the 240 of having a hard plastic sheath versus a leather sheath with the plastic insert. So this is essentially inside. That is one of the options that I went with, is to have both, depending on how I was going to carry the 240. But this one also has a very economical case, or sheath rather, and or you can purchase the kind of upgrade taco shell kydex sheath, and that's a super lockup in there. No, it's not coming out at all. Again, for you, whether you carry as a kind of a neck knife, shoulder carry, chest rig, those are things that you can decide. But again, they come with the option to include these various Molly lock and tech lock arrangements for carrying confidence. So thanks again for watching. This is a quick unboxing. In a future video, you'll see I'll provide a link for what this tool can do in action, and can't wait to share that. So check out these other videos up top. Thanks for watching. Until next time, enjoy your outdoors, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.